To be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to give a Windows 10 setup in a laptop, Asus laptop. So for that you will just have to set the boot option. You have to just reset the boot option from the boot menu. You have to press F10 to you have to press F2 for the startup boot menu, for the BIOS settings, and from there you will have to change the primary boot option. As I am using a SanDisk pen drive, so you will have to select this pen drive, and then you will have to just save the total things, and then you will have to just reboot, and automatically this window will pop up, and then you will be able to just reboot the total system. So I will just go through the settings, and yeah, everything is okay. Language installed US, and time and currency from US, and everything is yes. So we'll just press next, and we'll just install now. So it will take some time to set up is starting, so just be patient. You actually needed a product key, so you will just press I don't have a product key, so they will let you just install it, and you actually need to activate the Windows later. So I will just go with the Windows Home and select next, and it is going to load. It will take some time, as this is not the SSD. So if there is SSD, it will not take much time, but as there is not any SSD, so it will take some time. So we'll just quickly accept all the license and terms, just press next, and we'll just do it custom. So as you can see, the free space is here, so we'll just select the free space, and the maximum free space, so 97. This will be our C drive, so we'll just press next, and it will take everything to install the drive on C. Install the drive on the driver. So everything is getting copied and everything is installing, so it will take some time, and installing features as well as the installing updates and finishing up. So we'll coming back shortly. So I hope you will have the patience, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more, and hope you all enjoy. As you can see, Windows already been installed, and it is actually getting everything ready, getting the device ready. So it will take some time to complete the total thing. So we'll coming back very shortly. Well guys, the installation process has been done, so we are here in the main menu. So we'll just select the language and the region. So I'm going to select the region is United States, and it will take some moments to get on other things. So I will just stay along with the US keyboard layout. Yes, we actually really don't need another keyboard layout, so we'll just skip this one. So I'll have to connect with the internet. So I'll just skip this part. I don't have any internet. So we'll have to just connect with the network. So I'll just pause and connect with another network. We'll just coming back. So we just have connected with the network. So we'll just press the next, and it will pop up another window. And so I think I'll have to some downloads here, and then the main windows will pop up. So we'll just keep hold. Yeah, it is coming. So we'll just keep hold for a moment. So while it is coming, it will not took too much time. So we'll just keep what Microsoft recommending us. So we're just not changing anything. And as you can see, everything is yes. So we're just going to accept this. So remind me later, or I'll just no thanks. Let's go into the main service.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
So I'll just give note now and skip it very quick to the main screen. So the total installation is done.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
So it is done. So yeah, it will just reboot, and yep, it is coming. So that's all from today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope you all enjoy the video. And this is how you will just install Windows 10. So hope you all enjoy. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.